Imagine showing up to work tomorrow, and your new coworker doesn't drink coffee, never gets tired, never calls in sick, and can lift more weight than the strongest guy in the building. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, this isn't a movie scene. This is happening right now in America. Boston Dynamics has just revealed the all-electric Atlas robot, and honestly, this thing is on a whole different level. Stronger, faster, smarter, and it might completely change how work gets done across the United States. But here's the real question nobody's asking yet. Is Atlas here to help American workers or replace them? Stay with me, because what you're about to see could redefine the future of US labor forever. And hey, before we dive deep into this wild story, if you love discovering the newest science, tech, and future-changing inventions shaping our world, go ahead and hit subscribe to World Inventions X. It seriously helps a new creator grow, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's get into it. The moment everything changed. For years, Boston Dynamics amazed the world with robots that could run, flip, and dance. Cool? Absolutely. Useful for real work? Not quite. But the new electric Atlas changes the game completely. This isn't just a flashy robot doing backflips for YouTube views. This version is built for real American industry. Factories, warehouses, construction sites, the places where strength, endurance, and precision matter every single day. And here's what makes this moment feel different. Atlas isn't powered by loud hydraulics anymore. It's fully electric, cleaner, quieter, and way more efficient. That one shift alone makes it far more practical for real-world jobs across the US economy. Translation? This robot just stepped out of the lab and into the workforce. Stronger than human limits. Let's be real for a second. Human workers are incredible, but we have limits. Fatigue, injuries, long hours, dangerous environments. Atlas doesn't. It can lift heavy objects again and again and again without slowing down. No pulled muscles, no exhaustion, no "I need a break." And that's exactly why major US industries are paying very close attention. Because in places where labor shortages are real and safety risks are high, a robot like Atlas could be a total game changer. Not hype, not theory, real impact. But here's the twist nobody expected. You might think companies want robots just to cut jobs, but the story is actually more complicated than that. Across America, many industries are struggling to find enough workers for physically demanding or dangerous roles. Construction delays, warehouse bottlenecks, manufacturing slowdowns. Atlas could step into jobs people don't want anymore, while humans move into safer, higher skill roles. That's the optimistic future. But there's another side to this story. And yeah, this is where things get intense. The big question: help or replace? Whenever powerful new technology appears, the same fear comes back. What happens to workers? We saw it with machines in factories, we saw it with computers in offices, and now we're seeing it with robots in physical labor. Some experts believe Atlas-style robots will actually create new jobs: robot maintenance, AI supervision, advanced manufacturing roles. Others worry automation could move faster than retraining, leaving many workers behind. And honestly, both sides might be right, because history shows one clear pattern. Technology doesn't stop, it just keeps moving forward. The real challenge is making sure people move forward with it. Why America is leading this race? Here's something important most people overlook. This isn't just about one robot, it's about a global competition. Countries around the world are racing to build the most advanced robotics and AI systems, and whoever leads this technology could shape the future of the global economy. That's why innovations like Atlas matter so much in the US. They're not just cool tech, they're part of a much bigger picture, the future strength of American industry itself. And whether you find that exciting or a little scary, one thing is clear: we're watching history happen in real time. The future of work might look very different. Picture a warehouse 10 years from now. Humans and robots working side by side. Robots handling the heavy lifting and dangerous tasks. Humans managing systems, solving problems, and making decisions. Less injury, more efficiency. Completely new kinds of careers. That future isn't decades away anymore. With Atlas going electric and practical, it's starting right now. And the choices made today by companies, workers, and policymakers will decide whether this future becomes a win for everyone or just a win for technology alone. Every generation faces a moment when a new invention changes everything. Steam engines, electricity, the internet, smartphones. And now, intelligent, powerful robots entering the workforce. Boston Dynamics' Electric Atlas might be remembered as the machine that marked the beginning of America's robotic labor era. Not someday, today. So here's the question I want to leave you with. If robots can work harder, longer, and safer than humans, what should the future of work actually look like? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're excited or even a little nervous about the future of science and technology, make sure you subscribe to World Inventions X for the next breakthrough that could change our world overnight. Because the future isn't coming slowly anymore. It's already here.